Hello and welcome back. Okay, today I've got a Ruko Euro cylinder 5-pin, which I got from Leon's Lockpad. Thanks a lot, Leon. Okay, the bitting on the key is pretty extreme. It's going to cause me all sorts of grief, this is. Okay, let's get this viced up and see what it takes to get into it. Okay, adjust the camera slightly. Zoom in a tad. Okay, that's good. Right, let's see where we go with this today then. Got a Southward medium hook, Mad Bob tension wrench, and let's start at the back. Okay, a couple of clicks out of 5. Just be slipping off there. That's done 1, I've done 2, I've done 3, 4. Okay, got a nice click out of 3 there. A nice click out of 4 and a little turn of the core. Okay, click out of 1. Just push that back up again. Okay, just going to get a steeper hook there. Okay, that's on 1. Two, that's on 2. On 1. And 3, and we're open. There we go. I'll put up a bit of a fight. Okay, there we are, open. Superb. Okay, let's get this. Sorry about that. A little bit of a malfunction with the camera. Okay, back to where we were. It is open. Okay, let's get a follower. Let's just take the clip off first, shall we? It doesn't want to come off. Got a bit of a hash, let's get this clip off. Come on. There you go. It's off. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay. Ah, the pin there. Okay. That must be for the little hole in the end of the key there for the key control. Okay, put that there. Okay. Okay, 1 standard, 2 standard, 3, 4, and 5. looks to be slight serrations in the corner. I don't know if you can just see them. Maybe. Okay. Okay, now for the Bible. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Springs. And there's one cord in there. Just get that out. Sorry. There we go. Just get that out. There we go. All the springs are the same. Okay. As you can see by the pins, all kind of like the Asa pins. So what's the Asa barrel pins? And the driver pins. All standard driver pins. Okay, there we go. The Ruko flex core picked and gutted. Sorry about the little in between gut in there, but got there in the end. Thanks ever so much. Thanks again, Leon. Take care. Bye.